Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
As political parties gear up for the September 21st governorship election in Edo State, a former federal lawmaker and a Labour Party governorship hopeful in the state, Honorable Sergius Ogun, says he will attend to the yearnings of ordinary citizens in the state by prioritizing improved healthcare delivery as well as provide quality basic education if elected governor of the state. Honorable Sergius Ogun, who is one of the front-runners for the party's ticket, made this known when he met with Edo North senatorial leaders and local government executives in Esako West local government area of the state.
Honorable Sergius Ogun, in his bid to contest the governorship election in Edo State under the Labour Party, met with Edo North senatorial leaders in Esako West under the leadership of Ambassador Chris Ihodaro. Thereafter, he met with Esako local government area ESCOs and 12 ward ESCOs of the Labour Party. During the two visits, he was well received and prayers were offered for him by Honorable Tapo, Local Government Area Secretary General of the Labour Party. Earlier, Honorable Sergius declared his intention to contest the 2024 governorship elections in Edo State under the Labour Party, having served as a House of Representative member representing Esan Northeast and Esan Southeast between 2015 and 2023, promised that as quoted in the Nigerian constitution that security and welfare of the Nigerian people is the primary purpose of government. Ogun said he will take care of the poor by providing free education for the people as provided in the Universal Basic Education Act.
By the UBE Act, there's free education. But why are they not getting notebooks? Why are they not getting uniform? Why are they not getting textbook? Under me as governor, they will get all for free. Those small things, it no cost anything to give attention to those things.
He also promised to provide functioning primary health care in every political ward in the state.
Every political ward must have functioning. Not when you just put building there, go put one nurse. When you come today, tomorrow you don't come. Functioning primary health care in every political ward. That will be a medical doctor. That will be ambulance.
Labour Party primaries in Edo State is scheduled to hold on the 22nd of February 2024, with 33 aspirants currently expected to participate in the battle of who will become the flag bearer of the party in the state.
Inside the Niger Delta,